Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So before we go into Ulta real quick, I just wanted to stop in and say hello. I know it has been months since I promised you guys this Ulta video, but it has been months since I have been inside of Ulta. I don't wear makeup that often, so I go in few, far, and in between. But when I do go in, I like to shop with some coupons, including our manufacturer coupons, because Ulta does accept them. So I don't have any points or anything like that, so we're just going to shop with some coupons today and look around at the holiday items and see what type of deals we can put together. So without further ado, let's go on here and hit Ulta Holiday Couponer Edition. So as soon as I walked into the store, y'all, I knew this was going to be a voiceover video because the music was playing way too loud and the employees were looking at me way too crazy filming in the store. So I want to show you guys all of the holiday gift sets. So we're going to walk around the store. I definitely won't be talking the whole time. I'll just tell you the deals that I'm going to get. The first thing that I did get was this Morphe Boss Mood palette. So it's on sale for $15, y'all. $15, regular price $25. I went on ahead and grabbed that because you can use your Ulta store coupons with that deal. So if you have like a $3.50 off of 15, it will work with that palette. I thought this next gift set for $19.99 was super cute. Just the box alone is cute, not including the products on the inside. But look at that box, y'all, for 20 bucks. A great gift item. Let me tell y'all, this little gingerbread Too-Faced situation almost got me. This packaging is so cute, y'all, but then I remembered that coupons will not work on these items because they are prestige, so I had to leave the gingerbread family alone. But this was so cute and it smelled cute as well. So now it's time to coupon a little bit. So the first thing that I wanted to grab was some L'Oreal products. So the face and lip is buy one, get one 50% off. I decided to grab some Infallible lip wear. I got the Chocolat scented Infallible lipstick, the matte one. I got that one because it works so well with my skin tone. And then I'm going to use the $2 off manufacturer coupon on that. And then I went over here and got some concealer, and I'm going to use a $2 off manufacturer coupon on that as well. It is also buy one, get one 50% off. The next items I'm going to be grabbing with some coupons are some Shea Moisture facial wipes. So these are $6.99, buy one, get one 40% off. And then we have a $5 off too manufacturer coupon. So after that coupon and sale, these should go from $6.99 to about $2.20 a pack. I can deal with that. I get so excited when I see candles, and I was really excited about these candles because they look like Bath and Body Works candles, but they are 2 for $20. But then I started smelling them and they smell like nothingness. I was not impressed at all, so I left them right there. Y'all tell me if y'all have actually ever used those and if they have a throw. I'm not a believer from the way that they smelled. Ulta better push through with these little $1 stocking stuffers. I felt like I was at the dollar spot at Target. So much cuteness that you can grab as easy stocking stuffers, or for me, gift basket items for only $1. So I went through this little section and I found such cuteness and all that I am going to be adding to gift baskets. Look at these little champagne bubble baths that I'm going to put in some gift baskets this year. So cute. I decided to treat myself to a NYX gift set while I was here. This was only $12 and included the suede lipstick and the lip liner. You gotta treat yourself, right? I thought these little $5 disco balls were so cute that you can add as an easy stocking stuffer or something to add on the tree. They had some other really affordable gift sets here as well for only $10 and $15. I came over to the Jack Black section to look for my husband a gift because he really likes these products. But baby, the way these prices were set up, I had to leave all of that right there. That lip balm is bomb, but $8, nah. Time for me to check out. I will be using a 15 off of 50 store coupon plus my manufacturer coupons there. I will show you everything that I got and how much I paid in the next clip. So I am back at home, of course, and I just wanted to show you real quick what we got and, of course, how much we spent. So the first thing that I got, I told you guys that we were definitely going to get this because it was such a good deal. So we got the Morphe Boss Mood palette. So this was only $15 on sale. And then, of course, we used our coupon. We ended up paying about $10 for this after our coupon, y'all. So I think that is a pretty good deal. This is such a gorgeous palette. I had told myself that I was going to gift this, but I don't know if it's going to make it as a gift. This is a nice palette, y'all, and I've seen all the YouTube videos on this when it came out, so I think that's a great deal for $10. I also got the Shea Moisture wipes. So these were buy one, get one 40% off at $6.99. I used that $5 off too. Manufacturer coupon on that. I got these two L'Oreal items. These were buy one, get one 50% off. This was $13.99. This was $10.99. This Les Chocolat. This is the matte liquid lipstick. This is the concealer, of course. And I did use $2 off manufacturer coupons on both of these babies. And then I got the Love Less Disco NYX gift set, which is for me. This is going in my own stocking. This comes with the suede lipstick and the lip liner. I thought this was a good little cute little thing for Christmas for $12. And then I got all of these little $1 items that I'm going to be using for gift baskets. Y'all, I have a little vision. My gift baskets are going to be so cute this year. I'm going to add in some of those free couponing items, plus these little cute little things with some peppermints. It's going to be so cute, y'all. So let me show you my receipt so you can see what I paid. So here is my recipita, and it is pretty long. I did spend a little bit more than what I planned on, but I still think we did excellent. So there is that Boss Mood palette for $10.76 after our coupon. There is the Shea Moisture. When you see a vendor coupon there, that is one of the manufacturer coupons that we use. So that $5 off of two, when she scanned it, it divided into two and attached half of the value to each of the wipes, taking off $2.50 each. That's one of the $1 items that we got for the gift baskets. That's more of that. There's the NYX gift set that we got for $8.61, the other Shea Moisture. And there is our L'Oreal wipes. Not L'Oreal wipes, our L'Oreal concealer and lipstick there. And our subtotal came out to $38.16, y'all. $38.16. And I had a total savings on those 11 items of $52.25. So I think we did good. Just the palette and that concealer alone is $38. So to have spent $38.16 for everything and saved over $50, I think we did good, y'all. So if y'all see me back at Ulta tomorrow, do not judge. They will be having an event this weekend where they are opening up the stores an hour early and giving out gifts to the first 100 people. So please be sure to check out your stores for that. So after I leave Dollar General, I might slide back by there to see what type of gifts they are giving away, even though I probably won't do too much more shopping. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if this video was helpful for you. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.